What's going on, traders? Here are my top stock picks for this week. But before I get into that, I do want to remind you that the $5,000 account challenge has ended and we are restarting back at $5,000. I paid myself everything out of this account from the previous challenge, which was like $28,000 to $29,000. I reset the balance back to $5K and we start over. So for everybody that's been waiting for me to restart this challenge to join, now is the time. Sign up using the link in the description below. Sign up for the WAP. That gives you access to the Discord server, the live trading, the course on WAP, and the $5,000 account challenge. First one on the list is SPY. The analysis here is very simple. We are on the daily chart time frame. Either this will give us new all-time highs this week, or it does not. Long idea above 673. Otherwise, we'll be looking to take it short if it breaks this uptrend trend line and starts to sell off a little bit. It's going to be somewhere around 662 as it starts to create lower lows. Number two is Apple. This is my favorite setup of the week. We got a breakout of this rising channel into an ascending triangle that's having a lot of trouble getting above 257, but Friday did give us a strong close. We're not far off from the all-time highs at $260. I'm looking for new all-time highs out of Apple this week. Long idea above 260. Up next is Microsoft. You see the ranging motion here on the daily. It's doing a really good job of holding this 50 EMA as a point of support. Support has been established around 505, resistance established around 520. I'm looking for a break of this resistance and for this to be back on the front side of the original trend, which was up. Long idea above $520. Up next is PLTR. This one rejected the all-time highs. Hard sell-off here on the daily chart time frame, breaking this uptrend trend line. I'm going to be looking for lower lows out of PLTR. Short idea below 170. Up next is Shopify. Loving the move here up into the 52-week highs. It's not far off from the all-time highs. I'm watching for a continuation following this strength. Long idea above $162. Up next is Coinbase. Breakout of the ranging motion here on the daily to fill this gap, giving you a higher high. I'm watching for the momentum to continue topside on Coin. Long idea above $384. Up next is Hood. The analysis here is really easy. This has just been making all-time high, all-time high, all-time high. So we're just looking for new all-time highs. Long idea on Hood above $150. Meta is the next one on the watch list. You've got a sell-off here that's happening. Failure to hold the 50 EMA as a point of support. Lower highs and lower lows now being created on the daily. I'm looking to take this short under $710 for the move down to 700 and maybe even sub 700. Up next is UNH. You can see the formation here breaking out of this pennant pattern, and there is a gap to be filled overhead. I'm watching for the continuation topside for that gap fill overhead. Long idea above $368. Up next is Google. This one has not given us any sort of movement yet, but I think that maybe it might. You see the run here, break of the uptrend trend line to sell off, but it is creating a healthy pullback here, consolidating. I'm watching for a break of this consolidation. Long idea above $248 to see if this can break this downtrend trend line and rally back up to those all-time highs. I got 3 bonus picks for you, but before I get to that, I do want to remind you that because the 5K account challenge is named the 5K account challenge, it doesn't mean that you need 5K to trade with me. You can start at any time with any amount. What's important is that you get in here and start learning this stuff from me, because I think I do a really good job at teaching you what a solid foundation of trading looks like. So if you're struggling with profitability, if you're struggling with consistency, give me a chance. Let me help you. I might be who you need to take you from where you are to where you want to be. All right, here's my bonus picks. Number 1 is Tesla selling off on the daily to break the uptrend trend line. I'm going to be looking for lower lows out of Tesla this week. Short idea below $416. Up next is Amazon. Now, this one's not breaking down yet, but it does kind of look like a bear flag pattern here. And then you've got a bearish engulfing candlestick on the daily. I'm looking for lower lows out of this, but it needs to break these lows. So Amazon will be a short idea below 216. Up next is Nvidia. I don't think that we should ignore this one at the all-time highs. Long idea above $191 if it can can get there. So that's it. That's all that I have for the watch list this week. I hope that this analysis has helped you out. Do me a favor, press that like button for me and comment down below, did I miss anything? Is there something out there that you think looks pretty good that you have on your focus list that I haven't mentioned here? Thank you so much for your time, and I hope to see you in the Discord for day number 1 of the restart of the $5,000 account challenge. Take care, enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I hope you make some money this week. Cheers.